Trinity Institute of Professional Studies has received an overall rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. Let's dive into the BCom program offered here in this review. Starting with the 3.5 star rated placements. As per NIRF 2024, 533 students graduated from the 3-year UG program in 2023, with 213 placed. The remaining 16% opted for higher studies. Compared to the previous year, 2022, the placement rate has declined. Notable recruiters included Byju's, Vedantu, British Telecom, PNB MetLife, Convergys, Wipro, Amazon, IDBI, Genpact, and IndiaMart as per student reviews. The median salary offered was 4 lakh per annum, an increase over the past 3 years. When compared to other local institutions like Delhi School of Professional Studies and Research, TIPS offers a higher median salary. Regarding internships, many students secure 4 to 6 weeks of opportunities at companies like Agile Capital, Multimodal Overseas, Insplore, FinBlink, and WebMean IT Solutions with stipends up to 20,000 rupees. Looking at the academic offerings, the BCom program is rated 3.9 stars. The institute offers BCom honors in 2 shifts. To be eligible for admission, the candidate must have passed 10+2 with 50% aggregate marks and obtain CET GG SIPU rank. The BCom program has a total of 40 seats per shift. The last round of closing rank for BCom honors in IPU CET 2024 was 1,585, while the shift 2 rank was 1,953. A quick look at the year-on-year IPU CET rank shows that the competition has intensified over the years. Again, compared to DSPSR, the competition is higher at TIPS. The total tuition fee for the 3-year BCom program is around 4 lakh rupees. Turning our attention to infrastructure rated 3.6 stars. TIPS campus offers an extensive library, Wi-Fi, computer centers, studios, labs, and digital classrooms. However, the institute does not have hostel facilities. As per student reviews, the campus is too small and lacks infrastructure. Nearby grounds are accessible for students for events. Moving on now to the 4.5 star rated faculty and course. The faculty members are highly qualified and approachable, and the curriculum combines theoretical and practical knowledge complemented by industry-oriented activities like summer internships, industrial visits, guest lectures, workshops, and live projects. Looking at the 3.9 star rated campus life. The campus hosts multiple events throughout the year, including freshers party, orientation program, convocation, sports events, filmmaking competition. The highly anticipated event is the annual Cultural Fest. Lastly, the institute is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024. For more details on Trinity Institute of Professional Studies and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.